I Want Mission is a clarion call of our MSFS founder, Father Peter Mary Mermia. As being part of the missiological studies, I had the opportunity to attend the mission exposure program in one of the places of Tamil Nadu. There I was deeply touched by a elderly woman who was 90 years old and who was unmarried. I was simply attracted by her perseverance. She is old, she has no one at home, she was alone, and she was exploited and cheated by her brother. And she is getting 1,000 rupees per month and she is managing all the livelihood with that money. And I asked her, what about your brother or your relatives? Are they going to come and stay with you? Then she said, they will never come back, but I am waiting for him. I have been trying to call him, but he never attends my call. And she said, I am praying for his conversion. That is the real experience which I learned from that grandmother. Still, she is persevering in her understanding, in her faith. One day her brother and her relatives will come back to her and live a good life with her. So in our missionary journey, in our life, like her, we need to have perseverance in our life. Our missionary journey should have perseverance in faith and in our life. Thank you.